Hello everyone, welcome to All-in-One Expert. Today I will tell you how to install Epson printer on Windows 10 computer. The model which I am using it's 3110 L3110. So let's turn on the printer and connect to the computer with the help of USB cable. So I am connecting the cable, so it's connected. Okay, so some of the USB printers will install automatically. So let's see if it is installed or not. Go to the control panel. Okay, let me check and locate the printers option. Device and printers. Okay, so it's not showing here. Let me check. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, now right click and click on add device and printers. So it's searching for the available printers. Okay. So it's showing the model number here L3110, but it's showing unspecified because the drivers are not installed. That's why it's showing unspecified. So let's cancel. So now we need to install the drivers manually from the official website of Epson. For that, we need to open any browser and then you need to search for the printer drivers. I will tell you how you can download the drivers. Open Google website. Now you need to type here Epson L3110 printer drivers download. Okay, so let's open this link. So it's the official website of Epson. So every time while you are downloading the drivers for your printer, make sure you are downloading the drivers from official website, not from any third-party website. Okay, it may take some time because internet is slow right now. You can see here it's loading, the website is loading. Okay, so let it be complete first. You can see here drivers, click on that. Okay, you need to download the full drivers. So you can see this is the 60 MB drivers, the maximum file size, right? So you can download this drivers, click on download and then save file. Now it's downloading the Epson L3110 printer drivers on your Windows 10 computer. It's all-in-one ink tank printer. So Epson is one of the best company who is providing the printers. Okay, you can see here it's downloading the file. Okay, so it's downloading. Let it be complete first, then I will tell you the next steps. Meanwhile, if you want, you can have a glass of water or anything. Okay, so it's downloading, and the downloading depends on your internet speed. Okay, so let it be complete here. Great. Okay, so it's almost done. Nice. Configuring the file. Okay, let it be complete. Great. Now double click on the downloaded file. And now you need to press yes to allow the file to make changes in your computer. It's a legit file, so just press yes. Now you can see on the bottom right, the Norton scan is also showing it's a safe file because I installed the Norton antivirus. So that's why it scanned the file and update that it's a safe file. Now drivers are extracting in your computer. press next to continue. Now press next. Now it's a license agreement. You need to click on I accept the terms and conditions of this agreement. Then you need to press next here. Now you can see it's installing. Okay, so let it be finished. In my next video, I will tell you how to install printer on your iPhone 12. Okay, so first let it be complete. Okay, so it's installing. And the steps are same for all Epson printer models. You just need to download the drivers model specific. Like you need to download drivers as per your model number. Right now I am using the L3110 model. That's why I downloaded the drivers for the same. So, okay. You can see Epson Scan utility successfully installed. Okay, now click finish. Now let's see here. Okay, you can see the Epson printer is showing here. Okay, and it's showing the Seco Epson Corp, your model number, description, category, and the status. Now let's try with the test print. So let's try, is it printing or not? Okay, so let me do a test printout. Let me pick up papers. Okay, now let me insert the papers in the printer here. Wait. Okay, okay, now let me try a test print. Now you need to right click on the printer, then go to the printer properties. Okay, after that you need to click on print test page. Okay, you need to close this dialog box. You may hear the voice of the printer. You may hear the voice of the printer is printing. It is printed the test page. So that means printer is successfully installed on your computer, on your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to download the drivers for your printer from official website. Then you need to follow all the steps which I told you. That will help you to install your printer in your computer, right? And right now you can see this printer is a default printer. If you want to make Epson is a default printer, then right click on that and click set as default printer. That means while you are give a print job, it will automatically goes to the Epson printer, right? So you no need to select the printer all the time. It will automatically goes to the Epson printer which you installed. Okay, I hope you like this video, right? In future, if you have any query or question, you may ask in the comment section below and I will answer all your questions and queries, right? Now you just like this video, share this video as much as you can and subscribe to the channel, then click on bell icon. So in future, if I will post a new video, you will receive a notification about the same. Okay, and if you want to delete other printers apart from this, then you need to just right click on that and then click on remove device. Okay, remove device, then press yes, and you will see the printer deleted. Now let me delete this one as well. Remove device, press yes. Okay, so let me delete this one as well because I'm not using this printer. Remove device and press Yes. So now you all know how to install Epson printer on Windows 10 computer. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.